tonight.
Alright guys, it's going to be a pretty quick vlog today. I'm just putting on some stickers and I'll explain a little bit more about that in a little bit. But probably it's going to be a pretty quick time lapse. We slap them stickers on and then at the end I'll explain the importance of them. So stay with us here. Thank you. Alright guys, while you're watching this quick time lapse I made of we had these decals on. The first one I added on was a Team Broverland one, which is my Instagram. Please follow that as long as with liking and subscribing this video. The second one you saw me add there was Treaty Oak Off-Road. They sell the best recovery gear, all American made. So go ahead and head over there if you need any of recovery gear, anything like that. They also are a dealer for Dobinson USA, which is a company I definitely stand behind and I really enjoy what Dobinson makes. Their rear springs, rear shocks, it's all great, which I'll touch on here in a little bit further on in the video, so go ahead and stay tuned for that. Alright, this is on the RTI ramp at the Off-Road Podcast toy drive they did this weekend. They had a pretty good turnout. Everything went really well. Anyway, since we're froze frame right now, I'll talk about a little bit more about the Dobinson stuff here. Treaty Oak Off-Road is a dealer for Dobinson. Kyle Fogel will get you anything you need. Go through him if you're going to order Dobinson stuff. It'll really help him out. In the rear of this are Dobinson Longtravel MRRs. They have the longest extended length and the shortest collapsed length of all of the Longtravel rear shocks, quote unquote. They're a big body shock. They're metric, so they're almost 2.5 with a reservoir. The springs that are in this are 677Vs, also sold by Dobinson. These are the progressive ones. They're like the medium load rating. With the weight I keep in the truck, they give me about 2.5, 3 inches. Closer to 3. I'll go more in depth on all of that information in the rig walk around, but in my honest opinion they perform better than other competitor shocks out there that are trying to reach a similar goal, and the price point is not bad at all on these. So go ahead and head over there and check them out. The links will be in the description below. Alright, here is John T4R_1 on Instagram heading up the RTI ramp. He just got 35s put on this, so he's just giving it a test for rubbing. I know he has plans for more travel. This is Send It FJ on Instagram. His name's Isaac. He's running Metal Tech Longtravel rear, Toy Tech coilovers up front, and you can see he does pretty good here. He also still has a rear sway bar in with looked like some extended links. Right here's about all he's got, and then he lifts the passenger side front right there. You can see it teetering. This is Overland Tractor. His name's Sonny. He's got a Colorado Longtravel front. Didn't do too bad. If he had lockers and stuff in, he might be a little better. And last, we have a lubed up FJC right here. Go ahead and head over to his Instagram and tell him that he needs bigger tires. He also runs Metal Tech's Longtravel rear, Bilstein 6112s, and Total Chaos upper control arms in the front.
I am cocky in prediction. I am confident in preparation, but I am always humble
in victory or defeat.
I say I'm everything and more, and you can't tell me any different. You knew rap was cool, but you fought from competition. The best white rapper to emerge since 9/11. Semi-suicidal beats, I get them all into heaven. I got some poet demand, I'll even pull for your man. Although we don't like my music, his girl's a hell of a fan. Today's Mike Jordan, but I'm fading from humble. I slam my chest like Harambe to gain respect from the jungle. Said I'm the clutch man, I'm clutch man. Feeling like the jump man, flinching at legends, laughing out loud when they jump man. There's something about the things that I never got, so focused on myself.